machine. It's a 3018. It's known by a lot of different names after that, from China. It's the Pro version. This hasn't been out very long. It has these hardened plastic front and sides instead of the T-channel. It's a nice black. The table is about 7 by 12 inches, just a little bit over that. And then the spindle is a little 775 motor with a ER, I believe it is, 11 spindle, and it runs GRBL. It has a little controller that I bought with it. This is in addition to most of them. You have moving backwards, moving forwards, a little bit of the left, and right, and then you can start the motor, and then you have your bottomed out there, Z-axis. Anyway, had fun building this tonight. It probably took about 2 hours. It actually took me a little bit longer because I was videotaping the process, and looking forward to seeing how level this bed is, just making sure everything's squared up, tightening everything up and seeing how it goes, doing some little cable management.